In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then to add a video file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit video and tap on the chosen one. If you want to add an audio file, you can do that by clicking on this microphone at the bottom right corner, or by tapping on the same plus and using voice option over here. Either way, to record your audio, hold the microphone icon, then record your message, and when you finished, let go to finish it and attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!